how to pop out a particular chat message screen from your Microsoft Teams. So, hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact simple and easy steps on how you can pop out any particular chat message in Microsoft Teams. So, in case you want to multitask or you want to open multiple chat windows, here is a clever trick that you can utilize, which will ensure that you do not need to open multiple tabs in your web browser, and you can only utilize the Microsoft Teams application to multitask using different chat windows. So the first step in this process is to open that particular chat that you want to pop out. Now, if you can see that just by clicking onto a particular chat, I have this small icon right here just besides these three dots, which says open in new window. So all you got to do is simply click onto this open in new window, and now you can see that I have this small pop-up right here in a new window for this particular chat, and I can also choose to resize it by holding on to the corners and also the bottoms of the particular window like a normal window. Now from here I can use this and also do this for other chats as well. Apart from that, you can also access this feature by going to these three dots and clicking onto this option again, that is open in new window, and you will get the same results. So that's how easily you can pop open a new separate window for any particular chat in Microsoft Teams. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.